In this video, I will show you how to check background running apps and background running services on Android, and also how to stop background running apps or services on Samsung Galaxy or any Android phone. So let's get started. Go to Settings. Find out Developer Options. If you are unable to find out the developer options, then look at here. Tap on About Phone. Software Information. Now tap on the build number for the 7 times to enable the developer options. After the developer option is enabled, move back and open the developer options. Turn on it. Tap on Running Services. Here you can stop or close running services, which are not essential to run your Android system. Remember, do not stop the running service that is essential for your Android operating system. After that, move back and search for the background check. Tap on it. If you found too many unnecessary apps running in the background, then you can close them from here. Thanks for watching.